Hello and welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Congratulations are in order as the Jamaica star celebrates 1 million followers on Instagram. On Friday, the Arjuna Group hosted a celebration at the Gleaner Building where fans and well-wishers joined in person and virtually. Also joining in was dancehall artist Aishana, who thanked the star for the support of her career over the years.
At the end of the day, I support who support me. And my first interview with the star was years ago, before me even have a song. You understand? Before me even have a hit song then. Roxroy, big up yourself, you first Aishana, and say, Irwa, all paper, all interview. So I'll never forget that. So big up the star for always supporting me.
A few of the reporters also shared on the milestone.
The Star is the people's paper. We just want persons to keep in tune with the Star. Star Instagram, Star Twitter, Star YouTube, Star Facebook, and just continue to support the product and support the brand, Jamaica Star.
Intend to go another million, and another million, and another million, and we will continue to also produce the stories.
We're at 1 million followers, first in the Caribbean, first newspaper in the Caribbean. Congratulations to us, and congratulations to you, the readers and the viewers who made this possible.
The Star is the first Caribbean media outlet to reach 1 million subscribers. Now, congratulations are in order to the People's Paper. Go, guys. Good Productions is gearing up to drop Young Generation Rhythm. The award-winning record label's compilation features top breaker dancehall artists like Ritical, Jashi, Diani, Patas Kang, along with heavyweights TJ, I-Octane, Chanel Muir, and Danique. Chanel Muir and Danique, while signed to Good Productions, previously teamed up on the fierce collaboration Same Guy. Chanel sings on the album Clickbait. It is in response to social media trolls who attacked the artist about body image. While another sample is Dashi with Siamweso, which was teased on Good's official Instagram page. Young Generation Rhythm will be available across all digital platforms next Friday. After a 2-year hiatus, Notting Hill Carnival returns to London this August. Considered one of London's biggest bank holiday events, as the streets of West London filled with Caribbean colours, music, elaborate floats, and costumed performers. Jamaican artists featured on the main stage have included Spice, Conscience, Protege, and UK-based Stylo G. I'm Daedran Gordon reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.